him lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in I'm prime with a shock of my skill.
So viewer, subscriber, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shilla Energy, and in this update we have two topics I go talk about. We have Masicka to talk about and 450. Such a man, if you're new to the channel, like it up, share it up, and please click the bell to be notified and make we jump in it.
Kill. Run out of some flash, my pocket pack and me chill. You will jump and chase the dreams, them and a lot of we will. Two pack in I'm prime with a shock of my skill.
So viewer, subscriber. As you can see, we kick this review off with Masicka. Yeah man, the entertainer recently dropped his latest single, LimeLight, and it had well so far. Yeah man, the people them rate the song. Me not see one bad comment unless you're a fan of another artist and you don't rate Masicka. But otherwise, me see people are big up Masicka on this because yo, the song bad, bro. Me also did do a review on this, but the song never come out at the time, you see me? But now the song come out and I have to do a review on it because yo, me made this song and me completely rate it, bro. The song bad and Masicka deliver in this one, you see me? Yeah man, so if you don't see it, you can go check it out on YouTube. I guess it's on all platforms and you can go meds it, you see me? LimeLight from Masicka.
Me got them aim short, and if me come in our belly, what a great youth. Me style them out of this world, got my space suit. LimeLight, LimeLight.
Yeah man, Masicka go hard for the genocide fans them, and me tell you say the song sound good. Me not be biased or nothing. Yo, the song sound good. Masicka also made a post to his IG page. Me go read what it say because I feel like say Masicka just hint the date to the next album we go release. You see me? Yeah man. So as you can see on the screen, it says Masicka music. Jordan in a him prime with a basketball. Hashtag December 1st with a trophy. Yeah man, so nobody can tell me say I know the album Masicka and make you know say I go release December the 1st. You see me? Yeah man. And a lot of people are look out for this album, this next album, because we have words in the street. Words in the street is that Masicka first album, yo, is shot and everything Masicka deliver on the album there. So imagine a second album. You see me? Yeah man, so a lot of people are look out for it and cannot wait to hear what Masicka have store up for this second album. Yeah man. So as I said, Masicka released his latest single LimeLight. If you haven't heard it or you see me, if you don't meds it, please go check it out. You see me? Yeah man, Masicka I do well so far, and I'm gonna read some of the comments to Uno. So I hear or so I see what the people must say. Yeah man. So if you reach this far, please like up the video, share it up, and subscribe if you're new to 4K Shilla.
Chase the dreams, them and a lot of we will. Two pack in I'm prime with a shock of my skill. Free me demons for the money, fuck the fame you. I'm Bernard and the road size for the
The first comment is from Romain Virgo with some mind-blowing emoji, fire emoji, and he says brother, and Masicka also respond and says cool. And Chris Gill also left a comment, as you can see, some fire emoji. Yeah man. And another comment says, every time I find a favorite Masicka song, the man drops something badder with some fire emoji, volcano emoji. Yo, the list goes on. And as you can see on the screen, a bag of comments from the fans them rate the song from Masicka, LimeLight. You see me? Yeah man, so if you're a subscriber, please make me know what you think about it. Yo, you can nice up the comment section. You can drop a bag of flames if you don't want, and you can drop a shit emoji. You see me? Make me know if you don't rate the song, because to be honest, me rate the song. It worth the wait, and the song bad. Me rate it. You see me? Me rate it. So if you're a subscriber, as I say, let me know if you also feel the same way about the song or not. Yeah man, Masicka, big up yourself, bro. You do your thing, you see me? Yeah man, cannot take that from you. You do your thing, big up yourself. If you're a subscriber, like me say, make me know if you rate the song or not. Masicka, LimeLight. For those who don't check it out, go and go check it out right now. And if you reach this far in the review, like it up, share it up, and please click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload. You see me?
LimeLight. Been there, done that, just won't forget my mind right. Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that gun.
Your video a circulate on the media with 450 I help a friend figure for it, and me say me have to bring it to the channel and talk about it. You see me? Yeah man, cause it's a good look, and me rate them movie from the artists them are. Me rate them movie from people, you see me? Because bro, if you have a good friend and you have the chance to go foreign and you know travel the world and enjoy yourself, and you have a chance can help your friend, make him travel with you, why not help him and you realize you've been around a friend there for years now and the friend is real. Why not like help him out, bro? You see me? And at that me see 450 turn on and that's something I have to bring it to the channel and show one of your subscriber because yo, me rate the move and you see me have to watch it back like 3 times, bro. You see me? Yeah man, so 450, big up yourself. Viewer subscriber, pre-war.
Fight.
We're kidding on father. Oh, good. So, father. Give me one. Pay on father. Father, sorry. Firing my father. Oh, boy. Yeah, back in the suitcase, my father. Light moon.
Yo, viewer subscriber, you could have just tell how excited and surprised the man is, bro. You see me? As me say, me rate this from 450 because yo, it look like say him alone. It look like say the man alone did go back home. And the rest of him friends them and 450 them gone on a flight. You see me? Who wouldn't feel away? But as me say, me rate the movie from 450. The man looks surprised. And as me say, viewer subscriber, you see when you have a friend for years and a friend that been loyal to you, been straight with you, and you get a chance in a life can better off yourself, why you not help the friend there? You see me? Why not help the friend there, make him come travel the world to, make him come see different places, come eat different type of food, you see me? Why not help them? You see me? Yeah man, because as I say, it seems like say him alone did go back. Not no walk go back home, but him alone did go back home while everybody else gone on plane. Yo, the man would have feel away. You see me? So I rate that movie from 450. Big up yourself, bro. And I see a bag of comments where the people them say them rate it also a good look. Them rate it 450 do. You see me? Yeah man. So big up yourself 450 and viewer subscriber. This goes out to all out. You see if you can make it. You see if you make it in a life and you see a chance where you can help a friend or help someone. Yo, why not? You see me? As long as the person being real from day one, never turn them back on you or nothing, yo, why not? You see me? This does show you say there's always, or should I say there's still some good people out there in the world. You see me? Yeah man, so if you're a subscriber, please do let me know what you think about that 450. Big up yourself. If you're a subscriber, make me know what you think about any of the topic them I'm touch upon as always. You see me? 4K shall energy. Catch you know in our next one.
Firing my father. Oh, boy. Yeah, back in the suitcase, my father. Light moon.